I tried castor oil for 30 days and I could not wait for the trial to end. Okay, I'm gonna get into why I couldn't wait to be done with it, but also it's not all bad. There's actually a lot of positives and some positive results from trying it for 30 days on my face. But I'm gonna do it like the Oreo cookie method, which is positive, negative, positive. So let's start with some positives. First of all, right now I do have makeup on. When I did the original video, I wasn't wearing any makeup, and then I used it every single night and just put it on my face. And then I also paid a lot of attention to my eyebrow area. Now, during this time, while it's not a scientific study, I have needed to get more Botox or Dysport put back into my forehead and my crow's feet. That's usually where I put it in. And I have delayed that because I didn't want that to change the results. So the positive is I feel like my skin from day 1 to day 30 looks pretty much the exact same. And the positive of that is that it didn't really decline where it could have declined because again, the Botox has dissolved out of my forehead. So I feel like it maintained it. Now, a lot of people say this is nature's Botox. I didn't feel like it improved my skin the way Botox does, but perhaps it helped extend how long I need to go between my Botox sessions. So that's a huge win, like huge win. Okay, let's talk about the negatives. I didn't like using it because it's super sticky and it goes everywhere. I feel like after every single time I used it on my face, even though it's this dropper, somehow it like leaks onto the side, goes down the sides, and then on your countertop or your vanity, you end up with this pool of castor oil underneath it. And I don't like that mess. And even like touching it right now, it's kind of between my fingers and sticky. I also put it in my hair a little bit and immediately stopped doing that. I did not like how that made my hair look or feel. It felt really greasy. So I only focused on wearing it on my face at night and on my eyebrows. I can't say that I saw a huge growth of eyebrow, and that's what I was hoping for. I have really thin eyebrows right now. I do have makeup on them. Without makeup, they're very thin. I don't feel like the regrow of hair made them fuller, thicker, all those things. I think my eyebrows might just be a lost cause, unfortunately, from over plucking them for many years ago. Okay, so those are 2 negatives. Let's talk positives now. I only used this much of the bottle. Can you see that in the lighting? That's how high it is still. So in 30 days, I only used that much and I used it every single day. So a little goes a long way, and this is super inexpensive, like under 15 bucks, sometimes as cheap as $9.99 or less. Also positive, while there's so many other great skincare products out there for anti-aging, this one is all natural. It's 100% organic and it's just castor oil. So I love that it's like one ingredient, that is it. It's cold pressed castor oil. You know what you're getting, you know what you're putting on your skin. Now, part of the test, I did want to try putting it in my belly button and see if that did anything. I did that for like a few days and I realized I just felt like it was kind of gimmicky and I stopped doing that, to be honest. So I did not finish the 30-day trial on that. I never put it in my eyes because I wouldn't do that. I don't suggest that. And you could use it on your lashes, but I didn't do that. So my focus was brows and skin. Overall, I would say it did help improve my skin by not having it decline between needing more Botox put into it. So I feel like it just maintained everything. That is an improvement I will take, but I don't know that I could like say, yes, this absolutely changed my skincare. This is nature's Botox. I don't know. I'm on the fence on that. But I will say at least my skin didn't get worse over the time. It really maintained everything. So that is great. And maybe when you look at the pictures, you can see a different thing than I see, because sometimes it's harder to see it on yourself. Eyebrows, I don't know. I didn't see enough of a difference. I definitely would say it's worth trying, especially for the price point. It's worth trying and stick with it for 30 days. See what happens for you. and let me know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can stay up to date with all my videos. I have some other tests going on right now with some other beauty products as well, so I'm excited to see if there's any results with those. I do a lot of beauty product roundups and some fun lifestyle content too. Hit that notification bell, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.